The fighter MiG-29 of the Polish Air Force was attacked from a 30mm aircraft cannon while flying over the central part of the country. As it became known to the news agency Avia.pro, the Polish authorities tried to hide the incident. However, information quickly leaked to the media, in connection with which the Polish authorities disclosed some details of the incident. According to the data presented, on 14 May 2021, during a training flight, a MiG-29 fighter of the Polish Air Force was fired upon by a second similar fighter from a 30mm aircraft cannon. Sources report that the pilot of the MiG-29 fighter that opened fire ignored the rules and violated existing instructions, using weapons against another combat aircraft. It is known that the incident is currently being investigated. However, for a number of reasons, representatives of the Polish Ministry of Defense have not announced any details on this matter. A number of sources report that the incident occurred during a training exercise during which the Polish Air Force practiced countering Russian combat aircraft. The crew of the fighter jet was not injured, but the aircraft itself was damaged and needs to be repaired. We don't know what the weather and conditions were, but there was definitely a problem with the training of the crews and their compliance with safety rules, says a former Polish Air Force inspector. Another pilot saying that if a bullet of this caliber hit the cockpit fairing, it would break the pilot's head. Thank you everyone for watching this video.